You know, I used to do that too.
The east is the sky all to herself. Moisture, wind shear, instability.
Let's ride.
Extreme weather.
How close is it?
It's getting closer. Are we in the tornado?
Oh, it's behind us. Go, go, go! Go, go!
You know, a tornado rating not based on size or wind speed. It's based on damage.
There's no tornado. 9 times out of 10, it's a false alarm.
We gotta go! We gotta go!
Back up! Back up! Back up!
Do you think you can disrupt a tornado?
We never had a chance.
You want one? Anchoring?
We got twins! Twins!
They're combining.
You ever seen anything like this?
Never.